Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting only what you need and taking quick measurements. This saves time and reduces wasted materials. Once you have a rough floor plan, mark 3 functional zones: instruction, display, and traffic. Then place your focal wall first. It guides color and theme choices. Make sure to measure twice and cut once. This ensures pieces fit and keeps the layout flexible for student work. You'll be ready to build displays after these initial steps. Now you assemble the core elements. Build the focal wall background, add borders, and a clear title so learning goals are visible. Once done, install student workstations at reachable heights with clipboards and pockets labeled by purpose. This promotes independence. Next, place anchor charts and learning centers where teachers can easily redirect attention. Make sure sightlines are open and pathways clear for smooth transitions. Good flow reduces disruption and supports routines during lessons. Finish by adding small sensory details like soft lighting, plants, or textured trim to boost engagement and make the room inviting. Once done, secure everything using 2 methods, for example, removable adhesive plus pins, so items stay up but can be updated. Then perform a final walkthrough at student height to adjust placements and labels for accessibility. If something falls or looks uneven, remeasure, reinforce the attachment points, and replace weak adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.